All right, now we're going to apply some dim styles. So here are the dim styles that I made in my resource file. And here are the text styles that I've made. So I've got those available to me. Again, I'm looking at those using the Design Center Open Drawings in my resource file. So here we go. New drawing. Turn on my line weights. And hexagon, about 8-inch in diameter. So here's my 8-inch diameter, and here comes my hexagon at 6 sides. Inscribed. Shift right click brings up my list. So there we go. Got it. And again, I need to explode it. So there we go. Gonna explode it. So now I'm going to use a different dim style on each one. So I'll start with my mechanical. See if I've put those in here yet. There we go. And the easiest way for me is to go to the Annotate tab and say I'm going to do this, and I'm going to use which one of these? I'll start with my architectural. Click, click. Let me do aligned. It'll be easier. Architectural. Click, click. There it is. And now let me change it to mechanical fractional. Aligned dimension. Click, click. And finally, let me go to my XXX aligned. Click, click. So that's showing the different line types. The different dimension styles. Let me go to my text styles, and I'll just put those in. There we go. And now when I do this over here, I want to just make sure I know which one I'm working with. I'll do my Anno Arch first. So DT. And it says write my name. Oop. DT. Click 2, 0, and now I'll change this one to my Anno Mech. And I use the DT command. And I don't care how well these line up. They don't have to be great. And now my Anno Civil. DT. There we go. Now I've got them all in there. I've got my different dimension styles and my different text styles. I know that I've got them, and away we go. So that's the last step of loading and applying dim styles and text styles.